Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and the author of many books on how to draw cartoons, including this brand new one called Learn to Draw Cartoons, the world's easiest cartooning book ever. And it is easy. And it's got everything from how to draw people to how to draw super simple animal types, which are a lot of fun. And today, that's what I'm going to show you how to do. How to create a super simple cat character. And they're fun because they're so exaggerated. So let's start off with what is basically your standard cat face. This is the shape right here. It's kind of like a football, but it's flat on top. Can you see that? Like a football, but flat on top. And if you don't get it perfectly, do not worry. You don't have to. You really don't have to, because it's exaggerated anyway. All right, so here's the center line, so he's looking toward that direction. And here is the eye line, because his eyes are going to be kind of low on the face. And I'm just going to make an adjustment here and bring this in a little bit. And as you know, if you watch my videos, and I hope you do, or that you will, I make a lot of little adjustments. You don't have to have everything look perfect right out the bat. You can just, as you go along, make little adjustments. That's what most artists do. Some people put pressure on themselves, thinking that they have to do it right away. No, you don't. You really don't. So here's a fun thing right away. We're going to have this cat putting his hand in his pocket. He's not wearing clothes. I do not know where his pocket comes from, but there it is. And here's his tummy here, a little marking for the tummy. Bring that tummy down a little further. Yeah, that's better. And here is the tail. And I'll make it a little darker in a minute. Here's the bridge of the nose. Kind of gives us the. It's kind of the map. You know, once you have the bridge of the nose in the character, you know where you're going with it. So let's put the little nose over here to one side of that center line, and add a little split lip here, which means that the lip comes up toward the nose and down again. And a tiny little smile, a little crease right in here and over here. Let's just open the mouth here for a second. Give him a fun smile like that. Closed eyes for a nice, funny smile. Now I'm going to bring this down a little bit here. I'll bring that forehead down here and the cheek out this way. That softens him up, and we'll do the same thing on the other side. And little triangular ears. Give a little definition on the inside. And let's have some spiky hair over here. A little bit of shadow in the bridge of the nose. A little bit of eyelashes, very little bit of eyelashes. I'm going to thin them out just a touch. And just round the feet off. Like that. And I'll darken this one in because it's back further, and this helps it look like it's farther back. Let's get his little roundness over here for that pocket. And a floor line. And there you go. It's fun, simple little cat character. Hope you enjoyed it. I have new videos every Monday that I upload. I hope you'll join me for them, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.